Hi, this is Hoover Dude U6430-900, and right now I'm working on a Hoover Windtunnel Supreme. I've wanted one of these for a little while now. I just got one from my friend at that Vacuum Geek, and at the moment I'm just working on cleaning this up. If only I had space for my tripod. Okay, so there we go. And now I could save the screws. I have a few plastic baggies just to make sure these screws won't get lost or damaged. And this will go into my transport bin. Ew, a stink bug. Yeah, be careful when buying vacuums secondhand. You don't know if you're bringing these buggers in. It's not the friend's fault though. He didn't know that it wasn't here. I'm planning to replace this with a CWP brush roll. And I'm also planning to shorten the cord. This belt's also stretched to hell. And now for me to unscrew that wine red assembly. This Hoover was made in April 1998, indicated by the serial number. And might as well clean out the base. The base is what I need to worry about. Sorry if you can't see, but there we go. I'm currently wearing a mask to protect myself. On sunnier days, or on better days, I wouldn't be wearing a mask. Glad I'm actually feeling well enough to start working on this. The Breathe Easy. Breathe Easy doesn't need that much work, but this one just needs a good clean down before I really start using these. Like, this is my ideal Windtunnel. All the tools are at the front where I could easily get them. By the way, if you're wondering why I sound so off and low energy, is because I'm coming down with a flu or some sort of illness. Hopefully I'll be better by next Tuesday, or at the very soon, at the earliest next Monday. And now, ooh. The base is ready for washing. Sorry if I'm zoning out, but I'm just trying to ponder what to do next. And might as well wash the bag compartment, or it's clean enough. The base and hull airways are really what I need to worry about, but that was part 1 of cleaning up my Hoover Windtunnel Supreme. Thanks for watching, and see you in part 2.